We don't know if this will work, but we're hoping for the best. God knows what poor mummy's going to be eating here. Remember, it's the thought that counts.
Don't want to kill her with spice.
I don't know if you could.
It's crab cake, mommy.
There's no way of breaking food much.
Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean Style. Today we're gonna cook a special dinner for mommy. Dylan will be doing a salad. I'll be doing a crab cake. Alec, I'll be doing pasta with lobster.
Darius will be doing a herb
barbecue lobster.
This is an appreciation dinner for mummy.
Yep. So right now we just
Making breadcrumbs for the crab cakes.
yeah. Daddy, what we doing?
We are making the binding agent for the crab cakes.
Yeah. So I think we're supposed to use shrimp, but we didn't have shrimp.
No, we're making it with. We're gonna use kingfish.
Kinda looks good.
Well, we've never done it before, so.
So guys, we're making a fish puree to combine the crab cakes together.
Right.
And we're gonna be using garlic and ginger mixed together, Caribbean green seasoning.
Okay, go ahead. Mix it up. I'll do about half that. That's still a lot, I think. Okay, that should be enough. Put it in there. Get a different spoon. Right? Remember, Mummy likes that, so that there, you can put lots in that and she would be okay with that. Yeah, that's probably plenty there. Alright, now you're going to mix it up with your mixer.
So guys, my mom loves spicy stuff, so we're gonna add some sriracha. I don't know how much she loves.
Looking good.
So guys, we're gonna mix the binding agent with the crab and lobster. We
And
just snag a little lobster in there. Crab.
The crab looks real good. Oh god. Yeah, okay. No? Yep.
Yeah, that'll
Mix
go.
it in there, mix it in there.
How much? All?
Put the lobster in. Now this very good binding agent. You have a spoon. And then you gotta mix it up with your clean hands. Your hands are clean, right?
So I'm putting in the pasta to make my barbecue pasta. My barbecue BOWTIE pasta. So
Careful, you'll get burned, eh? So you gotta stay by this and cook it there, big boy.
okay.
We're cutting the backs and then we're gonna butterfly the lobster for mummy. Yep. Pull it straight out, yeah, but don't pull it out till you rip it. Yep, good. Right, now, just put it right back on top. What does it look like? That's good, eh?
Yeah. All?
Yep,
Where I was.
right on top. That's probably enough right there.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's probably enough.
I'm making my spicy barbecue for my BOWTIE pasta. This is what I use.
Very good.
Swiss barbecue sauce.
And you have a nice medley of onions, green peppers, mushrooms. Yep, go ahead, put it in. All of it, eh?
So guys, I'm gonna tell my dad that I dropped the food, but actually, I didn't. Let's go. He's outside there by the barbecue. I don't know if you see him. Let's go. Daddy? Hey, Paul, but I kinda dropped the food.
What?
Kinda dropped the food.
What food?
The food on the stove. It's a prank.
Today's not the day to prank. What are you making, Dylan?
I'm cutting out this pineapple to put salad in it.
Okay, what kind of a salad?
Avocado salad.
Avocado and tomato salad, Dylan?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm still cooking my crab cakes and I'm gonna show you how they look in the frying pan. The little one is mine. The little tiny one.
Looking good though. That big one. That ginormous one, that's mine. That's Mummy's there. That perfect B-round one.
Let's see what the boys are doing. Then, what are you doing? Making a salad?
Yes.
Oh, pineapple. I'm making sauteed vegetables for my mother. can't make complete vegetables for mommy. Oh, nice. And just get a snack. Good job.
We need to start now to kind of let Mommy be comfortable. So let's pour her a drink. So go tell Mommy to sit down, and we're coming to talk to her.
Okay.
Go tell her to sit down, relax, get your feet up. We're coming to talk to her.
Put your feet up, and we got your hair. So this is mommy. She dressed, comb her hair and stuff. We have to talk to you.
A cocktail, Mommy.
Thank you.
So, Mommy, we all got together because obviously we love that. We appreciate
No,
it.
I love Shimon.
And we know darn well how hard you work for us. So we wanted to cook you a nice fancy 4-course, we have 4 children, dinner,
Nice.
and tell you how much we love and appreciate you. Maybe your children can
You just tell do that.
talk about why they love their mother and appreciate their mother so much.
I love she because she made me. That's all I have to say. I love she because she put a roof over our heads and she helped us to pass through our classes.
Thank you.
Oh, and she makes us food every day. And your Darius is good. The only thing I don't like about mommy food is mushrooms.
Talk. Are you going to Cut.
I love mommy
Nice.
because she
I love mommy because she make us, she put a roof our head
over our head.
over our heads, and she gave us an education.
No, you didn't actually give us education.
Alright, Darius, go. Yes,
I love. And she gave us money. She gave us money, so be quiet. She gave us $5 sometimes a day. And that's all.
I love you guys too very much. All my heart and soul. I love each and every one of my kids, and I'm very appreciative of my meal.
So let me talk about my meal. And
That
mommy,
you all did to
what
me.
do you have to say to your viewers?
Oh, and I would love
That's
to
all.
let my viewers know that I am very happy, grateful, and thankful for reaching
The reason we make the
all
food
your
too.
support.
Meal.
Thank you. And what is this?
It's a salad in a cut of pineapple.
It tastes good. Well, this is really good. Because I love tomatoes, avocado, and spinach.
That green thing.
Thumbs up. Very good, Dylan.
Thank you.
We're not finished. Alright, the meal coming. Alright, the meal right there. Dripping daddy.
Good boy. Good job.
So guys, I'm going to let mommy taste my crab cake and sriracha sauce all around. Chips, vegetables, some lobster, some fish,
Nice.
and some crab. Well, I did make it hard, but nobody agreed to make
Okay,
it.
so we make it with
Just kidding, we didn't have the time to do it. I
This is
know.
actually very, it's actually spicy and nice.
Yeah, we split a little sriracha with the one we was mixing. Mommy, you make almost get taste now.
Good. Thumbs up, Arianna. Talk loud.
Mommy, this is my BOWTIE barbecue spicy shrimp with a little bit of goat cheese on it.
Let me try Alakai delicious meal here. This is very good.
Yeah, no shrimp.
Taste.
Anybody try this?
No.
This is very nice. Pasta. The pasta is cooked properly. It's got a bit of tangy, sweet tasted alakai.
Yeah.
I like this alakai. Thanks so much, alakai.
You're welcome.
Guys, this is very delicious.
What do you give it? There you go. I made butterflied barbecue lobster and sauteed vegetable.
Thank you very much. That looks lovely, Darius.
That's so huge.
I can't wait to get in it. Nice. Let me taste the mushrooms and stuff first. This was done by Darius. Let's see.
You want to get the butter?
Wow. Nice.
You give us some butter.
And butter.
Daddy, what butter was it?
Darius, this is very good.
Active?
This is truly an awesome way to eat lobster. Very nice, very tasty. I must say, thanks to all my wonderful kids. Thanks to my awesome husband making this happen. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for your love and support. We will not have Rich Day without you guys, and we'll see you all on the next one. Do not forget to
Like and subscribe and turn on notification bell. Thanks for watching.
see you guys in the next adventure. We out.